everyone. My name is Ryan. I'm an implementation consultant with Cloud Concept, Monday's Platinum Partner in the GCC. And in today's short tutorials, we're going to be walking you through Workspaces. Workspaces are, if you think about it, like a large folder that contains various department information. The best way to put it is a workspace is a dedicated place for a department or even a team to work or store their information. As you can see, you have multiple different types of workspaces. You can use them for HR, so on and so forth. The easiest way to create a workspace is clicking Add Workspace, and you'd be granted with two options. One is to have an open workspace where every member on your account can join, or to have a closed workspace, which would require members to either request access or they can join by invitation. Once you've created your workspace, or if you're trying to find a workspace that your team has, you can click on the little drop down over here and click on Browse All. And then if you click on All Workspaces, you'll be able to see all the workspaces that are there in your account. Note that some locked workspaces may not be visible to you, and this is because of some account level settings. Once you've opened up a workspace, you can access the permissions for that workspace over here, and if you are an owner of the workspace, you can set permissions for different types of owners, members, and so on and so forth. To invite people to your workspace, you click on the invite button and then you just type in their name and email address. You can tell a workspace is a closed workspace by the lock icon here, and you can customize the images and background color to meet your needs. You can even add a little cover photo over here as well. Within your workspace, we always recommend to organize your boards and dashboards using folders. So by clicking on the blue button here and clicking on folder, you can add a new folder for more organization. And then if you click on that and create within folders, this is where you can add different boards, dashboards, so on and so forth. And that's what workspaces are. Again, if you need any information, please feel free to reach out to us in the link below, and we'd be more than happy to help provide you some services. Cheers.